Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your Samsung TV to its factory settings. Now this can be useful if you're selling a television or you're having an issue with your television, just to reset it back to its factory defaults. So in order to do this, we first need to grab your television remote and we're just going to bring up the settings window. Now for me on this model of television, to do this I just press the home button located here. This is going to bring up the Samsung home screen, and then using the left arrow key we're just going to come all the way to the left and select settings. Now on some remote controls you might have a settings button located directly on the remote. Like as you can see down here on my remote, I have this button right down here called settings, and this will just bring up this menu directly from here. So once we're on the settings, we just need to scroll all the way down and come into general, then use the right arrow key to come across, and once again we need to scroll all the way down to reset. Now if this reset button is grayed out like you can see on the screen here, then to fix this all we need to do is come over to source at the top of your television remote, and you need to make sure that you have television selected here. So if it's connected to anything else like HDMI or remote access, you need to change that to TV and then press OK. And then now if I come back over to the settings menu, come back down to general, then use the right arrow key to come across, you can see right at the bottom we now have the option to reset. So if I go ahead and press OK, that's going to go and ask for your television PIN code. If you've never set up a PIN code before, then it's just going to be the default PIN, which is 0000. But once you enter that code into your television and hit OK, that's going to go ahead and reset your television to like it was when you first bought it out of the box. So you'll need to go in, set everything up again, like the language and all of your network passwords. And that's it guys, that's how you reset your Samsung TV. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.